Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo, kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Kichako gi nyingi.
Ero kamalanya Justus. Kuom raka kende studio makawuono ni. Modo chenga mar ariyo mar bire Kala TV. Iluonga ni japuonj Kennedy Awino. Gi nying mongere ahinya kendo en Ken Wasudi. Koro Ken Wasudi en japuonj mapuonjo Bolo Girls Senior School.
Okay.
Koro wuotho gi nyithindo ariyo manyiri e school mapuonjo. And I'll allow them to introduce themselves. Giwache nyinga gi mondo mi studio nge who they are.
We start with Triza. Looking at this camera, tell us your name and the grade you are in or the form and how is school.
My names are Triza Mokinyi from Our Lady of Lourdes Bolo Girls. And we are here to show you what we made from our school and presented onto the Kenya Science and Engineering Fair. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome, Mokinyi. You can speak a little of the Luo. You know the Luo, Martin? Yeah, you're off, Kabisa. Okay, and here we have...
Good morning, my fellow viewers. My name is Fiona Tieno. I'm in Form 4 and I school at Our Lady of Lourdes Bolo Girls Senior School.
Yeah. Japon, Bolo Girls Senior School, you reckon to uchiu na dukinyi makawuono?
Ero kamano. Bolo Girls chuma ber wachiu kinyi sa apar kama kawaida mano routine ma school.
Okay.
Kendo wawuok e sub county Manyakach in Kisumu County.
Okay.
Kamano.
Ero kamano. Kila runa mana machuk japuonje ni to kitso manyeneri mano ma competency based education kiriwo kanyakla koda science fair mabene nyithindo nyiso gi kitlony mopogore opogore mabende giloso. Uchake nade tusechiedho nade igani edi magana ariyo kod 26.
Ngama no kelo CBE no paro maber. Kendo ngama no paro wach mar kelo Kenya Science Engineering Fair beno kelo paro maber. Piny masani kaka Kenya dhi mbele en piny madwaro nyathi ma is practical oriented. Nyathi ma lwete nyalo timo gik moko. Emomiyo wan wamor kabisa ka program mar CBE ochakore skunde kendo wa implemente e yore mopogore opogore. Kenya Science Engineering Fair ma dwach gi luo ni lony e yo mar science mikelo gik mopogore opogore ma nyathi nyalo timo to japuonj bet tego nyithindo e mopogore opogore. Emomiyo kawuono wan e Kala TV mondo wanyis jopiny ni CBE nyalo konyo nyathi mbele to Science Engineering Fair ni bok en gima wacha en gima practical manyalo konyo nyathi masani e Kenya ma dak e sani.
Asante. And maybe back to you students, maybe tell us what theme were you having this year that you presented up to the national? Any one of you can just respond. What was the theme? What were you making and how was it?
Okay, for this year we decided that we will want to find a solution on how we could could manage the waste from the environment.
Okay.
And that's why we came up with our project. We collected waste from the environment and came up with jewels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe tell us, what is a waste to you when talking about waste? Vitu kama gani ndio watu upuuza kule tunakoishi? What will you tell us these waste are?
So some of the waste are like plastics, old clothes that people dump onto the dump
Oh,
sites.
the tattered cloth. I have my
Yes.
cloth imekuwa old.
Yeah.
Hata hii tie yangu when I just throw it away.
Yes.
Okay.
The old boxes that are not used, the rubber, cotton wool that are thrown onto the dump site, and some which are used in the hospitals which are not useful.
So you try and recycle them. And when you're in the process of this recycling of these old materials, what are you doing to our environment?
Oh, we are trying to manage the waste from the environment. Yeah.
So that what happens?
So that we can so that we can have limited supply of the waste. Yeah. Because they
In our
degrade the
Yes,
environment.
yes. And how does that help the generation that is coming next when you are in a community where we are free of waste?
So from this, we came with a solution on how to create job opportunities for the poor
Oh.
and the low class in the society. Yes.
How do you bring job? You're just little girls.
Okay, you can, if you collect the waste, then you come up with this project. You come up with this place, because they are just waste that we have collected. We don't need much money to purchase
The materials, for
yeah.
example, yes.
Yeah.
So
Then-
maybe when you are even at a home and somebody has thrown a tattered cloth, somebody is
exactly.
throwing away ile box ya maziwa, you see it as something valuable.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. In school you are around of how many girls that is picking up this initiative, or just ninyi tu wawili mnajipenda
No.
kienyenyi?
Sisi peke yetu. Actually, almost all Bolo fraternity.
Oh.
Yeah, they helped us a lot in coming up with this project.
With the project.
Yeah.
So like this year you're having an idea of things you wanted to do, maybe like something like a theme that you wanted to show the world. What was the theme and what was the idea?
So our theme for this year was that we wanted to come up with a huge project
Okay.
that is going to make the whole world proud on how to conserve the environment and to make something big which is going to clean the environment.
And what was your project?
So
What did you make? I'm seeing something there. Maybe you can just tilt it and show it to the viewers and show us what you made. Yeah. And each one of you maybe would describe what you made and maybe what are the materials you used. We start with you, Triza.
okay, from this my project, I made a flower vessel. So from the flower vessel, I used old pieces of rubber.
On the base, I can call it the base.
Yes, the base,
Yes.
which we used the thread. Then we used plastics from the environment. These here are pieces of sweaters.
Oh.
Yes, so we made, and this one up here is the box.
The box, I can
Yes.
see. Yes.
Then the flower was made using a box, a cotton wool, and a thread. Then this one here is a rubber, which is the stem.
So it's something that maybe you can sell. I can have it on my wall and stuff like if I love art and something like that.
Yes.
And how long did it take you, Triza, to make that?
So for this I just took only, I can say 3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
Now that you're also busy in school, maybe schoolwork is also taking part of your time.
Yes.
And what is it that you used to? I know this could be a different thing. Is it a glass or something?
Yes, from here we have a glass. We have old PVC inside. We have wooden bars,
Okay.
which we use here.
That is just to help for the support
frame,
and
yes,
the
and the
framing
frame.
of your artwork. Eh?
Yes.
Good. And when did you present this? Did it start from the divisional level, district, or maybe whatever you're calling county, and you went up to what level with it?
So this project we went up to it till the national level. At the national level. Yes.
How are you penyering? How are you finding your way up? You also not having some girls who did some beautiful things like you did.
And no, it's just all about hard work, courage, and being able to express yourself.
Okay. Actually, what I talked to you from the start, the confidence
Yes.
and just being bold. And maybe back to Fiona. Fiona, you also try to describe for us what you're having, what you made, how you came up with this. I can see it looked like a shark fish, maybe if I'm not wrong.
A swordfish.
Okay, good. We go.
Yeah, we made a swordfish, and at the base we have a rubber, then a thread,
What rubber is that?
slippers.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
So uli choma or
yeah.
something?
Cut it.
We cut.
Oh, it's not melted.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's
fine.
not melted. Then these are cotton. Cotton.
Amber.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
good.
Then all cloths. Then plastic.
How do you call those things?
Which one?
The fins or what?
Yeah, these are the fins
So the fins are made of
of plastic.
the plastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then this one, was made of plastic. Then thread. Broken
macho
glasses.
yake.
Yeah. Broken glasses.
I can see. Oh, that's a glass.
Yeah.
Kwa macho yake ni jicho.
Yeah.
That's a glass.
Yeah.
Then
Then
you said the black fin or something. Hiyo mdomo ndefu huyo.
hii ni plastic.
Up to the farthest end.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is plastic. Then we decorated it using broken plastic, broken glasses.
Glasses, I can see
Yeah.
it looks like a nice deco again. The artifacts. Anyone of you can talk. How was the experience?
The experience, okay, it was somehow tough because people are having different projects. It was somehow tough because people are having different projects, and now it's your hard work and the idea that you had and your capability, yeah, that will
Push you
out.
forward.
Yeah.
Maybe Teresa, what's your experience in the national? And I know there are kids who maybe did some things you are thinking are now better than yours.
So
Some things you are thinking are now better than yours.
So my experience at the national is that I saw different kinds of ideas. I saw different kinds of ideas that I also wish that
Up with something that you gain it by yourself. You
Okay.
be self-employed.
So the same way you people tried making
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
It's like
No.
I can really have something to add.
now our country is just all about creativity
Okay.
and what you have in your mind. That's all that can help you onto how to manage and use your resources.
You are staying in school. Is it for granted? Is it giving you a good opportunity and exposure that maybe apart from just direct academics, you could also have some hidden talent you can bring out?
My staying in school, I don't take it for granted because it helps me a lot. Because if it were not for the school that I'm in, I could have not come up with this idea. Yeah.
And Teresa, why are you going to school? Because people are just in the community, some of them didn't go to school, but they're just alive. And do you think education is an equalizer, makes a difference in your life? It's just the handle. The government is trying to make you guys
Hands on, yeah.
hands-on. Be handle. The government is trying to make you guys
Hands on, yeah.
hands-on. Be hands-on. If hands-on, if you can draw chora, si lazima mbaba kikupata pale kwa nyumba kichora. So maybe if there's some final touches you're supposed to do in your work, you find some humble time.
Yeah.
If you don't have a glue, you call for mwalimu. If you could give us some glue. And you, what do you understand about the CBC thing in regard to whatever you are doing here as hands-on work?
So CBC is just trying to create job opportunity, and it's also just all about creativity and helping those children who are not better in academics to better themselves in something else that can help to create the job.
Thank you. And I'm just wanted to find us with you before I go back to Mwalimu to wrap it up for us. Where do you see yourself in this art? Maybe when you're done with Bolo and you're outside there in the campus.
Go and study medicine.
Medicine.
Yeah.
That's good. And you?
JKUAT.
JKUAT. JKUAT. Hapo ndio wanasemanga kuna masomo. Okay, you. It's on a light note, eh? And what do you want to go and do at J?
Roughly C plus.
C plus.
Yeah.
You go do your medicine.
Yeah.
And why medicine?
So for me,
I want you to have a picture back in your community where you come from.
Yeah.
Leave alone pale mko shule, wengine waletwa na gari, wengine na ndudhi, wengine hata wana land kwa ndege, and leave alone hiyo inaitwa group mentality. Back to your home.
so
How is it?
for me, the reason as to why I want to study medicine, I want to make the old people, to help the old in the society.
The aged.
Yes, the aged, because some of them lack money and lack finance. So I would like to provide the medicine which can help them and provide the good things and
That they need in their community.
Yes.
And maybe when you do your flashback, where's your local home?
Siaya.
Siaya County. When you do your flashback to Siaya, is there those old people you see in the community? They have their mkongojo staff and anakwambianga nyakwara. Ball thing and your campus thing.
Okay. Specifically, I want to be a nutritionalist.
Oh.
Yeah.
You want to check on what I consume.
Yeah. I want to check on what people consume, and specifically the expectant mothers and the little children.
Why that interest?
I've seen it back at home. People just consume.
Anyhow.
Yeah.
I think it really makes sense. I don't mean didn't make sense anyway. It really makes sense that you find that due to the level, and I thank God you're building it from what you talked about, due to lack of enough income, and that is job.
Yeah.
Ndio watu ulekea kule. Mtu anakula tu mchele na waru. Mchele na waru. Those are all carbohydrates. Just carbohydrates. You understand?
Carbohydrates.
Na amepata na turungi. You know turungi?
Yeah.
The black. The same? You get that? Yeah. How are they having? Kwa asubuhi, and then there's this tendency nowadays that hakunanga lunch. You know that? Unapata tu mandazi pale na strungi, and life continues. And if you are expectant mother, its health requires that you get good meals, which you're talking about.
Yeah.
And you're just right, because after that, when you don't have, you bear what you call
Malnutrition.
Yes, the child anatoka kama
Weak.
Weak, so you understand this thing. Do you have a case in point that pushed you to go that direction?
Yeah, I have.
Without mentioning name. Yes. In the community, maybe you have a picture back in your mind of a home somewhere.
I have.
Try to describe what happened.
Okay, it's a situation
without
where,
mentioning the people's homes and names.
Okay.
Good.
Someone gave birth, and the child came up with some disabilities because of the background.
Okay.
The mother was not able to have the meals. Yeah.
The proper meal.
Yeah.
And what is proper meal to you? Could it be chips, junk foods?
No.
KFC, you call it where? When you Mkendanga have some, the places you branch,
Yeah.
Are they the best food you're talking about, Teresa?
So for proper meal, I can say can be ugali, sukuma wiki, and an egg.
And omena also.
Yes.
Omena is a good one, eh?
Yeah, omena is a good
I'm
one.
told omena, I'm also boiled.
Yeah.
I'm told omena, but you guys don't like omena. When we were in school, we used to love omena because of that environment we are in anyway. Story for another day. On a close, Where do we see our country if we continue giving support to such as this artwork? Where can we reach as a nation? And young people in our community, if given opportunity, can they be people?
Yes, they can. Okay, actually, for now, as I had said before, we have many graduates, but we don't have the...
Allow me to ask my producer to give me the picture one. The picture I'm given here, mwenye naongea. We proceed.
Like I had said earlier, we have many graduates, but we don't have the job opportunity. So, and say Kenya is somehow technology is taking off.
It's techno-high.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, if one can come up with an idea and a solution of solving any problem in the society, then we can move forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looking at our community, Triza, now again on you. Nini haikubambi sana kwa maisha ya vijana wenye wanafanya vitu zao, think if we can join together we can change this bad character in our young people and we can have a good community?
So the bad character that I've seen mostly is all about the young being addicted onto drug abuse.
They're abusing drugs.
So by being addictive into these drugs, they are going to make their immune system be destroyed, and it can also lead to death. So I think of a solution on how to provide guidance and counseling to the young people in the society. Yes.
And maybe by coming back to your thing and your environment, how do you want to keep our environment safe? Long time ago, I don't know whether you saw it, there used to be a big heap down here in Kisumu, where near Kachok, if you guys know Kachok and Mega City, there used to be a dump in front of Kisumu Day High School. Yeah. Nowadays, Aiko Apo, what do you think about our environment? When you're driving, people just throw their water bottle through the windows and stuff like umekula keke yako, umetupa tu. What would you talk to people who are doing this?
Okay, for those dumping the waste anyhowly, you should find a solution. Like, the waste can be recycled. Okay. Some can be recycled, and the ones which cannot be recycled should be dumped at the right place. At the right place. Yeah.
Not that unakuwa unachukula ile ice cream yako, all of a sudden umebaki na kajuala na kwa basi mnaenda panki, and you do what?
Throw it.
Yeah, actually, tukizitupa ni sisi bado zitakuja
to affect.
Yeah.
You remember, Teresa, do you remember the situation in Nairobi the other day when we had floods?
Oh, yes.
Do you know the main cause of the flood?
The main cause of the flood was the trash which people dumped onto the rivers.
The trenches.
Yes, and the river.
Whatever we have in the town, where you ask them to clear these trenches along the streets. Yes. So everybody alikunywa maji, chupa ikaclog pale ndani. Majuala za mkate na everything. So when nadhani tuko tu safe. When the rain came, it's called the mother nature. And now everybody's home was flooded. Is Kisumu safe? The other day we saw Nairobi and we were like, ni mbali na sisi, watu wa Nairobi. Kisumu, are we safe? What would you like to tell people in the stage there, wanatupatupa matakataka? I don't think if we are safe. It's maybe coming to us in a nearby, and we need to take precaution on how we dump our waste. What did you tell them as we conclude?
Okay, as Kisumu we are also not safe because the waste which we dump anyhowly, they act as breeding sites. Okay. Yeah, for mosquitoes, which also increase the spread of malaria. So we should just dump the waste at the right place. Okay.
Yeah. On a conclusion, what did you tell your school? And then I throw it back to you. What did you tell your school, the level you have gone, the support you have received, your head, principal, now you can even mention their names, and who have supported you and maybe your students. What did you tell them?
Okay, to my school, first I will thank the Almighty, because if it were not for Him, we could have not reached the far. Then to our able principal, Madam of Excellence, Madam Evelyn Oginga.
She's of excellence.
Yeah,
okay,
she's of excellence.
We will know.
We are very much grateful for your financial support. Then to our patron, Mr. Kennedy, we are also very much grateful for your moral support and yeah, and guidance.
He's always been there for you.
Yeah.
As a teacher,
Yes.
as a father.
Yeah.
Oh, you lean on her. Okay, fine. You conclude by telling, what do you tell your principal, your school, and you forgot to say something to your fellow students.
Okay. To my students, my fellow students actually, they also contributed a lot because they also helped us. We could have not managed to make them ourselves.
They made sure their clothes are all you pick them.
Yeah. Then to all ball of fraternity at large, we are very much grateful.
Okay. Lastly, on you, as you say your thank you to them.
I think this opportunity to thank the Almighty God. Secondly, our school principal, Madam Evelyn Oginga, for the financial support and moral support. Our patron here, Mr. Kennedy Owino, for guiding us throughout this project. It was the treasures of the dam sites.
Okay.
And Bolo Fraternity as large. Thank you.
Are you coming back?
Yeah.
Talk to him well. Bring him back. Now in big number. Asante. Mwalimu, thanks for your time, and maybe kuro kwa duwe dhulu Martin. Parang usebe dokuti you teach maber kabisa. Tiji ni igero nunya choko kanye kaka school.
Tich motiyo sani wang'iyo kaka Kenya dhi. Wang'iyo program mar government gi nyithindo. At the same time wang'iyo kaka community nyalo bedo saved. Kano bedo gi this project, and the theme was cleaning the environment. Ne wakaw project mar waste management. Wang'iyo situation ma wanyalo konyo environment, wanyalo konyo society, wanyalo konyo Kenya, to wan be wanyalo konyore. Moro mi kik wadak kuonde molil, mana kaka nyithindo go osewacho ni ka wadak kamolil, to gimoko mokelo mokwongo en tuoche.
Infections.
Yes, infections. Wan gi typhoid iye kanyo, wan gi malaria kanyo, wan gi cholera iye kanyo. Koro gi kwatimo maber to environment bedo maler, to I'm very sure ni wanyalo konyo society bedo maber. Kamano.
Kamano yenye. To lek mane mountiego kaka club, kaka school, maybe next year, nuchopo nyaka national. The road ended there, or there's something beyond national, and if not, maybe next year ungi chenro matimo project machalo nade.
This year, ne wan a project miluongo ni waste management. In fact, ne wan gi projects adek. Ne wan gi project on technology, nodong' e sub county. Ne wan gi project machielo mar microbiology, nodong' e county. Koro mae mwadhi gi region obed namba adek, wachopo nyaka national. Koro higani waseng'iyo project, wan gi projects adek or ang'wen mwachako loso ne dwe mar term 3 kanyo kwachako, then wadhi kod nyaka next year. Remember ni Science Congress competition chakre term 1. Koro japuonj mar dhi kode mbele nyaka chak mana term 3. Chako chon lo dhi kajuoga. Koro I'm sure ni school oseng'eyo ber chopo national. Temo miyo Kala TV okoro nyaka nyithi bolo gi bie ka. Mondo gibi wache ne gitime ang'o. Koro gimango adier ni national ni kisebila tok ber kiweye. Gimoro wacho ni pile biro gisewinjo miti gimoro to dak iweye. Idwa repeat of it. Gimarach mantie national gimantie marach mantie KSF en ni beyond national kumwadhie bunde. Koro mana nitie national. Koro nitie mana
not like in the ball games where they say we will go to East Africa and beyond. Yes.
And beyond. Koro gima nitiere KSF ni nitiere another program of competition ma involve young scientists. Koro en minyalo dhi kode mbele midhi kode South Africa, michake dhi kode loka USA. But competition mag kawaida manyo timoni gik mana kanyo national.
About next time with the other project mabeji timoga science no debates ka.
Yes.
Being known, you can also have a stake on that. Mondo mingo job debate go waja bedo gago. Kondigi koro mago be other angles and avenue manyalo dache. Kwa chiko japunch ngoma nyalo wacho kitso manyin manyasa ni competency based education mabende iso kum nyithindo gieki. En gine roma kanyathio mako gi tariyo jonyuol bendo mako jirit nyithindo be mako. Iparo ni wanya bedo gi piny mapodi rito ni ondikwa tich.
Nyithindo go sewuoyo wach mar CBE. kendo goch maber ni Kenya ochopo kama koro wapong' gi graduates
all over
gin kamoro amora.
including from TVETs and
They are everywhere.
universities, TVETs.
Yes. Higa ka higa king'iyo University of Nairobi golo nyithindo adi. King'iyo the number of universities man e Kenya mangima. Tigo gi number of nyithindo migolo every year. Tije gi onge, opportunities onge. Jok ma retire betin.
Okay. Jok ma retire. Yes.
Jok moko medo higa.
Exactly.
Koro idwango ni situation ma koro chope sani. CBE is the way to go.
Okay.
Em nyathini chako go piny ni ang'o ma nyathini nyalo timo. Gima pod inyowa matin en ni waonge structures ma pinje molony kaka Uingereza, Amerika gini
riembogo
competency ni. Ma nyathi ka nyathi jabol ticha kumana kode lower ka grade ma lower ki. Ticha mana kode
academies, yes.
Umodhi motimate tiegruok. Ken jang'wech to che mana academy mar ng'wech. Koro structures gima pod government pod ng'iyo pani with the funding nyak bed gi pesa malach mondo gik ma kamago dhi kare. But iwacho ni odidi lunyo kar tineno. Koro marwa mana thin mo wan goni.
Kimi dolego.
Kamoro dolego. Tani sure ni government CBC they succeed and I'm very sure the young people more grow up gosani. What they get in the line ni kick irit teach mondo ndiki.
Okay.
Chak mana gi gimbi ng'eyo cha. Talent di mon nyasa nu micha. Chaka kode to gimoro budi mbele maber.
Gimoro jotendwa wacho sani ni empowerment all over. Is it legitimate? Number one, gichwaido ka giringo kor gwenge ni empowerment, but I can see these young girls have empowered themselves.
Exactly.
I think there is no time onyalo waste koluwo jasiasa anafuata politician while akiwa na hiyo time anatengeneza hiyo mchoro wake ati yake. So by the time rally iko aero uko wapi yeye hata kwa kugaria politician. Are we going to cover that?
Empowerment mari go sani okere empowerment en miyo japiny pesa magichamo
Hand to mouth.
Hand to mouth. Mane gima watimo gi jopiny. Majuko uka vijende monego beni timo 1 2 3 gik ma nyithindo go timogi magi kidhi iuso. Gikaw 3 days to gi assemble gik moko to giloso to gijalo fetch ng'ato kada maki inwango ng'ato be umi kada siling 1,000.
Correct.
Iloso in a month nyalo loso pesa moro mtego. Koro empowerment machimo gi politicians timo kodwa ni pogi nyiso to pesa magi goloni itiyo kode yo mane.
Correct.
To nyithindo jok mimiyo pesa gi buketne gi chenro ma pesa ne kosa donje lwetgi to gitimo go ABCD
Financial literacy.
Yes, moko nego beni bange no pwedi chaki chika kendo ni empowerment. Koro empowerment kadipo ni government okotang kode mochimo yo oro kolos chenro mochimo yo to mana pesa mikawa kawa to bicha machama to jionge mana tich pele kanyo. Koro we must have a policy, we must have a guideline makonyo ng'ato manyalo wacho ni bana in kora miyo low dhiena.
Okay.
Okay, mi ng'ato rech.
You mean I cannot come to your door every morning and ask?
Adhi konyi nade? Okinya bule ino kukinyi duoko na madhon. Ngene amban gi responsibility.
Exactly.
To mano mi wanyore kaka wanjo piny ja siasa oseng'eyo ni osemiyowa pesa mar empowerment. Jo siasa osemiyowa pesa mar handout. Koro matini gi expect ni koseyombo moyudo gimodwaro cha.
Yes.
Tigi wi. Eno tiko rekodi, odhi dak Nairobi, odhi dak Kisumu, odhi dak Mombasa, in koro weekend.
Apparently the projects these young girls are doing is even more better than the projects my government politicians are doing, because politicians are behaving like they're dangling a fish to you, maybe a dog somewhere, they're dangling a fish, and maybe they drop one, then you consume, they keep dangling another one again, then they push you to somewhere. These ones are not dangling it for you, they're showing you this is how you to get that fish.
Exactly.
Kama ikakelo right no hero. In your conclusion, Japan, because of time, erokomane mane minyalo goyo ne skundi, and then jip mane minyajiwo go serikal mondo mi wamany yo mwanya keto go teach elwet nyithindo eleto jende nyithindo ko ke school to ngeni I can do this thing mondo mi gi rely on white collar job mitwe tai kamarone marone samoro imepitwa na wakati.
Edward ni koro wewe Twitter. Podwa tweet ne kechen part of.
Because sorry, even before you respond, you go to town here. When my car has a problem, I look for yule akoto chini pale na it's something simple, achachukua 3,000 yangu. You see that? And anywhere, kwa farm saizi, how much is a tomato? You guys are making fun of tomato the other day. Tomato is becoming expensive. Kuna tu yule atafall tu hapa dig pale kwa streams hapo kwa shamba yake na apate. Tell us something, some words of wisdom as we conclude.
Kenya pokobed ni Kenya onge structures. Or pokobed chigni Kenya onge policies. There's a leader Merogaluo sana. Ilongo ni Professor Nyang' Nyong'o. Professor Nyang' Nyong'o is a Palanda and is a policy maker. Ibu nongo ni kwa the shelves mag Kenyan government on department pogore.
Yes.
Wabu nongo ni Kenya nigi ideas mabeyo manyalo konyo nyathi. Koro gima inyo ni ngama implement gi timne ade ema onge. Ngama nyalo konyo nyathi ka nyisi nyathi Kenya mai kumo wachimo gi Kenya. Gima lit ni kikao toothpick tinoko ni made in China. Toothpick.
Imepanda ndege.
Eh.
Imekuja Kisumu.
Iluongo ni gik moko mathindo thindo makwa dhi pinje ma develop kaka China gi. Toothbrush. Angoma waonge godo, waonge gi good policy implementers. Manyalo miyo nyathi Kenya dongo ka nyathi ya China. Mang'eyo ni okochuno nyaka ritae. Okochuno nyaka rwakre maber mondo ko bedo ang'oma gi pesa ne gi mondo ne. Man kaka iwacho jok maloso geche town ka. Mago jok motimo hands on.
Yes.
Yidi kanyo gi gachi gi tachi nigi gi koti nigi sudi mirwako no to nyisi magi marach. Igolo ni silinga 3,000 in a day kata gin geche mokabur.
24,000. Amelipa rent.
Koro the way to go and we must encourage nyithindo mana kaka watime sanene. Mondo mi wabed gi structures manyalo konyo nyathi ng'eyo ni kama wachimo mbele ni nyaka many away manyalo ndikora go kenda. Gik manya timo ni kane government bedo very concerned. Manya wan Garissa na national. Onego beni gi yoro joge mabire ground mang'eyo to ang'o ma jo Kenya Science okelo maka Kenya okaw to gini nyalo konyowa in curbing unemployment, in curbing political thuggery, in curbing gunism. Masani athinga to chiwe chagu kwinto kama na lodhu jembe. Oda bedo gun. Emo mi wanya society. Koro my urge and my final word to the government and Kenya Science and Engineering Fair nen paro maliw to yeuru uore jo mag ministries a ground mondo ngi gima nyathi timo gik ma nyithindo timo gi those areas ma competitions nyalo konyo Kenya go kama malo.
Tukimalizia pengine tumalizie kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. Iwapo ulitambui leo ni International Swahili Day in our schools. Do you guys teach Swahili?
Yes.
Who is your mwalimu wa Swahili?
Madam Principal.
Mwenyewe?
Yes.
Ndio mwalimu tunafaa kumtembelea leo basi. Tuone kama yuko. Ken, in your closing remark, give your regards to the school, appreciate them if there's something they have done to you, and tungependa useme kwa lugha ya Kiswahili.
Asante sana.
Shukrani zako.
Kiswahili ni lugha ngumu lakini tajaribu. Tunasema sisi Wajaluo
sio mdomo chenu.
Hata Professor Lumumba ambaye ni mtu ambaye amejulikana sana kwa lugha ya Kiingereza. Mtaalamu pia wa Kiswahili. Kwa hivyo nitajaribu kama mwandishi pia. Mwalimu wetu mkuu, mwalimu Bi Evelyn Oginga. Kwa hakika nataka kumshukuru sana kwa dhati. Ujue hii kazi inataka fedha. Na hizi fedha kila mara lazima uwe na kila ambacho unataka kutoa uweke ingine ili uwaimarike iwe mzuri. Tulipoanza kwa sub county level hizi project hazikuwa zile mzuri sana. Kwa hivyo zilihitaji pesa. Kila saa tunabadilisha hii, tunabadilisha ingine. Hiyo lazima nimshukuru. Lazima pia nimshukuru kwa kukubali wanafunzi kuendeleza ubunifu wao kwa shule.
Correct.
Kwa hivyo si kazi rahisi, inahitaji fedha na inahitaji yule mtu ambaye ako na moyo mkunjufu na ule moyo wazi wa kukaa chini na mwalimu ambaye anaongoza sayansi kwa shule kujaribu kutetea ubunifu wa wanafunzi. Kwa hivyo namshukuru sana.
Okay.
Na wanafunzi wa Bolo Girls, nafikiri nina njia ya wewe kukualika kupitia mwalimu mkuu. Siku moja uje Bolo Girls uone yale ambayo wanafunzi wanafanya. Kwa hivyo wanafunzi wa Bolo na washukuru sana, mmetuelekeza na mlitusaidia kukaa na sisi mpaka kitu saa 6 usiku tukifanya tu hizi projects. Ni 3 ijapokuwa tumekuja na 2 peke yake, zilikuwa 3. Na familia ya walimu wote wa Bolo, walimu wote na wahimiza, naendelea kuwashukuru sana kwa yale ambao wametusaidia. Nadhani nimejaribu kama profesa.
Asante sana. Itemo wacho swaje ponjero kama na nyane joneno mago wagero kamano kech ni ukawapulu kendo luthuruni achel kachel. Today is an International Swahili Day. Ni leo siku ambayo dunia nzima inaadhimisha lugha ya Kiswahili, na sisi pia kama waandishi pia tunaadhimisha lugha ya Kiswahili nchini Kenya nzima. Iwapo pia leo ni siku ya Sabasaba, tarehe 7 mwezi wa 7 mwaka wa 2000. Jofamba mago betangech mondo megingini weche chalo nade counties waduto kamuti Kisumu, Nairobi, Homa Bay, Siaya kanyakla koda Migori. Wang'iyo ni to counties tingo nade nyakoro Mugajuang. Kauno do ago machiemo koni wang'iyo ni to Kiswahili puonjo nade e skunde wa nyakoro Mugajuang. Kamano to wachako time kendo dichieng' machielo. Lungani Justus Adoyo. I will say bye bye for now.
Bye bye.
Asante.
Tok bedo kod odiochieng' marabora e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, yud thuolo mar kweyo pachi kendo bedo gi mor